rice flakes, sweet milk soup, or cumin rice flakes desert soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the desert soup recipes and one of the most unique of the rice soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes recipes. We're going to make sweet cumin rice flakes desert soup. We've taken around 100 to 150 grams of rice flakes, around 1 spoon of cumin seeds, around 15 grams of raisins or dry grapes, taken around 15 grams of cashew. Now heat the pan, put in around 25 to 30 grams of clarified butter for ghee. Now put in the cashew, salt, till the cashew becomes brown. If you're using induction cooker, you can do this at 60 degrees. Or that can be used for sauteing. Do this until cashews become nicely brown. Cashew nuts are brown. Take off the pan and onto the plate. Now put in the raisins, chop, soft till the raisins puff up. Once the raisins puff up, they can be taken off the pan and onto the blade. Now put in the cumin seeds, salt, put in the rice flakes, salt with the cumin seeds, do this in medium flame, or if you are using an induction cooker at 60 degrees. To 80 degrees. Keep on sauteing. Now pour in around 300 to 350 ml of milk into the mixture. Mix and let the mixture boil. Put it to 100 degrees. Put in around 50 grams of sugar. Mix. And let the mixture boil. Now put in some cashew and some raisins when the milk begins to boil. And let the milk boil. Now the milk has started boiling. Let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the milk has been boiling for around 3 to 4 minutes. Now the sweet cumin rice flakes milk soup is ready and can be taken off the pan and served. Pour it onto the serving bowl. raisins and cashew as garnish. Final sweet rice flakes, cumin, milk soup, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes and one of the most unique of the milk soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the desert soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.